Mm. Hello, good morning. How do you do? How is your mom? How is your dad? Shall we start today with the letters? You have made already alphabets, how to learn, you learnt it. Today you are going to learn what type of letters, what sounds they make, what do you call that sound. Shall we go? Some sound long, some sound short, some are silent. So we have a name for that. Shall we go today with that? So I am going to teach you today vowels and consonants. Vowels, we have A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. See here, A. So, we are Indians, we say A, no? A. Actually, it sounds A. Sometimes it makes, in some cases you find A, right? Here, A sound. A here, what does it make? It sounds A. E, I, O, U. So, what are the vowels? These are the vowels. Shall we repeat again? A sound, okay? E, sometimes it sounds A also. I, E sound also you get here, I, E. O always it goes round. Yeah. When you pronounce O, you make O in your mouth. It shapes O. And U. So these are vowels. So in these vowels, we are going to see today only one vowel. With that vowel, what letters can we, what words can we make it? What are the words we can make? I am going to put it. You, as I put it, you just tell me what is that, right? See now, A-T. What do you call this? At. A-T, at. Repeat all of you. A-T, at. Okay, I will go from beginning now. A and B. What do you call this? Ab. A-B, ab. Okay. What do you call this? A-C, up. A-C, up. A-B, up. A-C, up. We tell in Telugu gunintal, no? So like that, we can add every letter and make A for A sound and that letter sound. So this is vowel and this is consonant here. A-D, add, right? A-D, add. So this way you can go on. Now suppose if you keep am, am, okay. Then shall we go to with other letter now? A, yes, as. We can use N also and make an. A, and A. So what did you get? Come on, let us repeat. A, B, up. ACth, ATth, ADt, sorry, ADat, AMM, ANN, ASS. Shall we go now to the other letters now? Children, see here, A, T, at. What is the sound you got here? At. See here, A, T, T, at. Isn't it? Now we are going to use these two letters as keywords and suffixes with the other letters and frame 3-letter words. Shall we do that? So I'll add now here. See, B-A-T, bat. What is that? B-A-T, bat. Do you know? You play with bat always, isn't it? Yes or no? It may be a cricket bat, or it may be a shuttlecock bat, and so on. Right. Let's go to cat. Next is C. Same sound we use this now and add C to make 3-letter word. C-A-T. C for k, B for b, C for k. This is consonant. Okay. Here A only is the vowel. A here gives you R sound. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. Right? Shall we go to next letter now? E. When you use E and write E-A-T, eat. What do you eat every day? You may eat apple or banana or any food, isn't it? You eat the food. So this is the verb here. Cat. Cat is a noun. Have you seen the cat? Do you have a cat at home? Yes. Do you have a cat? Yeah, this is the cat. So cat is a pet cat. How does it cry? It cries meow. So now come on, repeat once again. Bat, cat, eat. Repeat again. Bat, cat, eat. Bat, cat, eat. Write once again. Let us overwrite it again. B, A, T, bat. C, A, T, cat. E, A, T, eat. Now I am going to next letter now. F. See, F, F-A-T, fat. Raju is a fat boy. Fat means dummy boy. So, fat, F-A-T, fat. Right? Now, let us go to next letter now. Hat. H-A-T, hat. See the sound it makes. A sound only you are getting. In Telugu, how do you write? Like this. A sound. Isn't it? So, B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. E-A-T, eat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. Now, let me go to one more letter. That's M-A-T, mat. Shall I write here? M-A-T, mat. Do you know mat? You lie on the mat, you sleep on the mat, you spread the mat and you lie down. That's the mat here. So, next we will go to P. P-A-T, pat. See, if you add with the P, A-T, you will get like this. P-A-T, A-T, pat. Isn't it? So, instead of putting here, I will put it here only so that it is easy for you to learn. Yes or no? So, yeah. Okay, my board doesn't hold it. So, let me put like this, see, this way. So, every suffix you are going to add a letter like this. Okay. You get this many words. Few more words we can make using R. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Next, S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. Next one we have is V-A-T, vat. Shall we repeat again? B-A-T, bat. I will take away and I will make you once again to repeat. Will you repeat? Yes, come on now. From the beginning, let us do now. Shall we repeat again? B-A-T, bat. Repeat everybody. B-A-T, bat. Let me go to C-A-T. I am removing this. Now I am going to keep this letter C. What does it make now? C-A-T, cat. Repeat again. C-A-T, cat. Shall I do next? I remove C and I give E. E-A-T, eat. Repeat all of you. E-A-T, eat. Once again, shall we read again? B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. E-A-T, eat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. V-A-T, vat. Shall I give you homework? Name the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. You need to write the answer A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Second question. Write 10 3-letter words ending with A-T, at. B-A-T, C-A-T, E-A-T, F-A-T, H-A-T, M-A-T, P-A-T, R-A-T, S-A-T, V-A-T. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can make any more letters, but it should be only 3 letters. It should end with A-T, at. Will you do, children? Do it. See you in the next class.